Hey friend! I know you are doing well. May negosyo ka na, or maybe you are doing great sa trabaho. Pero minsan, sa sobrang busy natin, nakakalimutan nating alagaan ang ating sarili. But here's the truth. Health is the best wealth. Kahit gaano karami ang ating savings, mauubos din ito sa pambili ng gamot at hospital bills. That's why I'm here to gently remind you, eat good food, sleep well, move your body, and don't forget to support a good supplementation. Dito sa Live Good, we don't just offer business. We offer an access to high-quality premium supplements na subscription-based at almost factory price. So kahit hindi ka na magne-network marketing, you can just join as a member just to take care of you and your family. Because the best investment, it's not in stocks and in properties. It's in your health. You can pre-enroll for free or DM me so that I could help you. Simple, no pressure, all value. You deserve to feel your best because when your health is right, your future shines bright. So this is Bisa Bulao, aka Eagle V. I rise, I transform, I lead. See you at the top. God bless. Bye!